Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Talk Easy American English. I'm your teacher, Jessica, and today we have a very special lesson for you.
Hi everyone, I'm Drac. I'm excited to learn. What are we studying today?
Today, we're learning 100 daily American English phrases for beginners. These are very simple, very real phrases that Americans use every single day.
So these are the phrases we hear in normal life?
Exactly, Jack. At home, at work, in stores, in conversations, everywhere.
Nice. I'm ready.
And listeners, remember, repeat after us whenever I say, now you try. Okay, let's start with greetings and small talk. These phrases help you start conversations. Phrase 1, how's it going?
How's it going?
Listeners, now you try. How's it going? Phrase 2, what's up?
What's up?
Phrase 3, how have you been?
How have you been?
Phrase 4, long time no see.
Long time no see.
Phrase 5, nice to see you.
Nice to see you.
Phrase 6, good to see you again.
Good to see you again.
Phrase 7, how's everything?
How's everything?
Phrase 8, how's your day going?
How's your day going?
Phrase 9, not bad.
Not bad.
Phrase 10, pretty good.
Pretty good.
Great job. These greetings are used all the time in the US. Now let's learn phrases for your daily routine. Phrase 11, I'm getting ready.
I'm getting ready.
Phrase 12, I'm heading out.
I'm heading out.
Phrase 13, I'll be there in 5 minutes.
I'll be there in 5 minutes.
Phrase 14, I'm on my way.
I'm on my way.
Phrase 15, I'm running late.
I'm running late.
I'm almost done.
I'm almost done.
Let's take a break.
Let's take a break.
Give me a second.
Give me a second.
Hold on.
Hold on.
I need a coffee.
I need a coffee.
Great! Americans love coffee, so you'll hear this phrase a lot. Polite phrases are very important. Phrase 21, excuse me.
Excuse me.
Phrase 22, sorry about that.
Sorry about that.
Phrase 23, no problem.
No problem.
Phrase 24, thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
Phrase 25, I appreciate it.
I appreciate it.
Phrase 26, that's very kind of you.
That's very kind of you.
Phrase 27, thanks for waiting.
Thanks for waiting.
Could you repeat that?
Could you repeat that?
I didn't catch that.
I didn't catch that.
Have a great day.
Have a great day.
Now, phrases you hear in stores and shops. Phrase 31, I'm just looking.
I'm just looking.
Phrase 32, do you have this in medium?
Do you have this in medium?
Phrase 33, how much is this?
How much is this?
Phrase 34, is this on sale?
Is this on sale?
Phrase 35, can I try this on?
Can I try this on?
Phrase 36, where's the fitting room?
Where's the fitting room?
I'll take it.
I'll take it.
Can I pay with card?
Can I pay with card?
Can I get a receipt?
Can I get a receipt?
Have a good one.
Have a good one.
Let's continue more shopping and errand phrases. Phrase 41, where can I find this?
Where can I find this?
Phrase 42, do you have a bag?
Do you have a bag?
Phrase 43, can I return this later?
Can I return this later?
Phrase 44, I'm looking for something cheaper.
I'm looking for something cheaper.
Phrase 45. Can you help me find this?
Can you help me find this?
That's too expensive.
That's too expensive.
Is there a discount?
Is there a discount?
I'll think about it.
I'll think about it.
I'll come back later.
I'll come back later.
That's all for today.
That's all for today.
I need to clean the house.
I need to clean the house.
I'm doing the laundry.
I'm doing the laundry.
Let's take out the trash.
Let's take out the trash.
I'm cooking dinner.
I'm cooking dinner.
I'm washing the dishes.
I'm washing the dishes.
Can you help me with this?
Can you help me with this?
Give me a moment.
Give me a moment.
I'm busy right now.
I'm busy right now.
Let's go for a walk.
Let's go for a walk.
I need some fresh air.
I need some fresh air.
I'm tired.
I'm tired.
I'm excited.
I'm excited.
I feel great today.
I feel great today.
I'm not feeling well.
I'm not feeling well.
I'm worried.
I'm worried.
I'm confused.
I'm confused.
I'm happy for you.
I'm happy for you.
That makes me sad.
That makes me sad.
I feel the same way.
I feel the same way.
Let's do it.
Let's do it.
I got it.
I got it.
That's not a big deal.
That's not a big deal.
Take your time.
Take your time.
See you later.
See you later.
Great job today, Jack. And great job to all of our listeners. Today you learned 100 daily American English phrases that will help you in real conversations.
These phrases are simple and very useful.
Listeners, review these phrases often. Choose 10 phrases every day and practice them aloud.
Little practice, big progress.
Thank you for learning with us on Talk Easy American English. We'll see you in the next episode.
Bye, everyone.
Bye. Take care.